1. Phone-free first hour. Waking up before my phone wakes up. No scroll, no noise, just me and quiet. That's when I feel most in control of my day. 2. Make the bed. Making my bed every morning, not for looks, for momentum. One small win before the day even starts. 3. Cold exposure. 60 seconds of cold water, not for pain, for control. If I can handle discomfort here, I can handle it anywhere. 4. Evening journaling. Writing a few lines before sleep. Some nights messy, some nights clear, but always honest. It empties my mind before rest. 5. Single tasking block. 1 hour, one task, no switching, no distractions. Just deep, focused work. Nothing fancy, just done. 6. Mindful eating. Eating slowly, one thing at a time. No multitasking, just the food, just the moment, nothing else. 7. Lifting heavy. Lifting heavy weights 3 times a week. Strong body, strong mind. It builds more than muscle. 8. Daily movement. A walk every single day. No headphones, no noise, just steps. That's where most of my best ideas show up. 9. One small promise kept. Keeping one small promise to myself every single day, even the tiny ones. That's how you rebuild trust with yourself. 10. 2-minute reset. 2 quiet minutes before bed, just reviewing the day. No judging, just noticing, then letting it go. None of this is complicated. It's just repeated every single day without excuses. That's what actually changes a life. Pick one, just one. Try it for 7 days. You'll feel it before you believe it. Which one are you starting tomorrow?